Hi everyone, here are two DTG T-shirt printers. One is our 2020 classic DTG T-shirt printer. It is the best-selling direct-to-garment printer that we have sold the most so far. This one is our new economical T-shirt printer launched in 2022, and the price is cheaper than the 2020 model. So, if there are any difference between these two T-shirt printers, which one should I choose? Which one is more suitable for me? Today, I will give a detailed introduction and a comparison. We will compare the appearance of the machine, its internal structure, its function, and the speed and effect of printing. The 2020 model appearance: black and white color, very classic, generous and durable. The 2022 economy model also looks good, very square, simple, and compact. The 2020 model has an LED LCD screen, and the 2022 model uses a button instead. The 2020 model has an openable lid, which is more convenient for the operation and use of the machine. For the 2022 model, an acrylic lid is simply made here. In terms of overall size, the 2020 model is also larger than the 2022 economic model. The weight of the machine is also heavier. Summarizing the appearance, both models are actually pretty good, but the 2020 model is obviously more high-end. Now we look at the internal structure of the two machines. Open the lid. The 2020 model is a non-aluminum frame structure. The overall machine is more stable, ensuring the accuracy of printing. Let's look at the 2022 models, which are mainly made of iron and plastics. The size of the machine's printing platform is A3, 30 x 45 cm, but the 2020 model DTG also presents a small platform that can be used to print children's clothes. The consideration is more thoughtful, but the 2022 model does not have this children's clothes printing platform. 2022 economical T-shirt printer, there is no problem after using it for 2-3 years, but from the perspective of 5 or 10 years, it is certainly not as stable as the 2020 model. Let's compare the printing speed and effect of the two T-shirt printers, then compare printing costs and printing profits. We will print a white T-shirt and a black T-shirt for comparison test. Because the two machines use the same print head, the same software, and the same ink, the printing effect is basically the same. Okay, the printing is finished. Everyone can see the effect. Basically, there is not much difference. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to print a full-size white T-shirt, and the cost of printing ink is about $0.3. It takes about 8 minutes to print a full-format dark T-shirt, and the ink cost is about $0.5. A personalized custom-printed T-shirt can be sold for at least $20 on Amazon and other sites. Excluding the cost of clothes, the profit of a custom-made T-shirt is at least $15. Even if only 20 T-shirts are printed a day, it is a profit of $300 a day. A month's profit is $9,000. Are you excited? One point is particularly good. That is, both machines use the automatic timing cleaning function of ink, because if you do not print for a long time, the ink will easily dry out in the print nozzles, which will block the print nozzles. In this case, you can only replace a new print nozzles. Both printers use Epson DX9 print heads, about $3 for a new print head. We can set that every 10 hours, the printer will automatically clean the nozzles, which can effectively prevent the risk of the nozzles from drying out and clogging. But a high-end DTG printer, another function is white ink circulation. Because when printing dark clothes, you need to print white ink as a background color, and then on the white background color, and then print the color ink. However, white ink is easier to precipitate. After the precipitation of white ink, the white color will be very light when printing on a white background. If you print color on it, the printing effect will be very bad. So the white ink circulation function is really important. It can prevent the precipitation of white ink, so that the white background color is very white when printing. And then the color effect of the pattern is very good when printing in color. The 2020 DTG printer is equipped with white ink circulation, but this function is not yet available on the 2022 economic model. What if there's no white ink circulation function? There's also a small trick, which is to shake the white ink cartridge by hand before printing each time. Of course, if you mainly print white t-shirts and occasionally print dark t-shirts, it is basically not affected. Finally, how should we choose? The price of the 2020 classic DTG printer is about $3,600 and the price of the 2022 model is less than $3,000. Two printers will give away a set of ink worth about $300, which can print about 600 t-shirts. If your budget is sufficient, it is recommended to buy the 2020 model directly. If the budget is not enough, the 2022 model is also a good choice. There is our detailed contact information at the bottom of the video. Please leave a message if you have any questions or contact us directly at any time. See you in the next video. Bye!